when you're coming, this is what the Airbnb looks like. This is the inside. So this is the living space. There's this little chair there and the flower, which is really lovely. I honestly love the aesthetics over here, the gold aesthetics and everything. I don't know where the inspiration is from, but yeah, there's this centerpiece table here, and I love the rug as well. Like, it just goes, I think the what's it called, the colors she went for is black, white, gold, and gray and red. Yeah, a touch of red. You guys can see from the flowers, and there's the touch of red. So this is the chair. There's also a fridge over there. I don't know what's in the kitchen, but that's fine. It's not a big fridge. So that's my laptop, by the way. So look at the chair. I really love the chair because obviously that we're two people here, so one person can lie down here, another person here, and it fits like quite obviously more people. Then moving on, there's this, like, you know, side table here. There's a fan, and I love the little setting over here. Like, it's really pretty. The little, I think this are fake flowers anyways, but I love the, you know, that, like I said, I think she got the inspiration from what's it called, Pinterest. Now with the table, it's got like drawers. There's the DSTV, then there's candles, and opens, and there's candle, and I love the, what's it called, the fake telephone and stuff, and I think that's an eagle. That's a lady sitting and thinking about her life. And there's a drawer. I don't know what's in this drawer because I actually never opened. Okay, so there's an iron, there's extra flowers, extra candles, and yeah, so this is what the living room is looking like. I'm going to give you guys a little b-roll so you can see what it looks like. But yeah, from afar, from here, this is what the living room is looking like. And another thing, I literally forgot to tell you guys about this. I love the chandelier here. I really love it. It's really pretty. I think it changes colors as well. I think it changes from red and blue and stuff, but I really love it and everything. So yeah, that's really pretty. There's an AC in the living room, and yeah, so let me just show you guys the design again. And guys, I've had to use flash for this space, but yeah, so with the living room, there's a little bathroom for the guest, and I love the, you know, the flowering, everything, like, you know, the way it's designed. I really love it. It's really cute. So this is the kitchen. I love the kitchen. Like, it's not too small, it's not too big. This is the gas cooker. I think it's got an oven if you want to use the oven, but we never actually even cooked here. But yeah, so this is, you know, the gas station, the workstation where you cook. And this is the sink area. This is the microwave and the plates and stuff that are left here. So this is really, honestly, really lovely. The kitchen is, like I said before, it's not small, and it's got this hob. Yeah, and she put, there are different things here. I don't know, we never really went through what is in the cupboards, but yeah, so let me show you guys anyways. So I think here, this is where the pots are if you want to cook, which it never did. Then the bean bag and salt. This is the spoons for cooking. And this part is for these things here. And yeah, so there's a back door. There's a door in the kitchen that leads to, I think, like a little garden. It's not opening, so I will show you guys from the other side. But yeah, so this is what the kitchen looks like, and it's so pretty as well. Like, it's really nice. It's honestly really nice. So guys, moving upstairs, when you're going upstairs, there's this painting here with the girl. I honestly love this painting. I've been seeing this painting everywhere, and yeah, so the only thing I don't like about this place is the way the stairs is done. Like, you can literally fall if you're the type that drapes, and then you're coming here, you can literally fall. But anyway, so not far from the first painting, there's another painting here, Don't Stop Dreaming. I love it. I love the gold aesthetics and everything. And yeah, so moving on to the staircase, you guys can see like the stairs are not properly done. What is this, honestly? But yeah, you make it work. It's a hassle if you have to bring like suitcases. Then there's this painting as well that says a boss lady. So let me show you guys the bathroom. So this is the bathroom. Nothing major, it's just basic. but it doesn't have like the aesthetics the other one does. And guys, I'm panting because I've had to walk up the stairs. So this is the bathroom. Like I said, there's nothing major with the bathroom. It's just a really basic, and yeah, so nothing major. And the hot water was not working, by the way. I don't know why, but we didn't bother to contact her because it was really hot, so we're just using cold water all through. So yeah. And guys, one information I forgot to tell you is it's got a washing machine as well. We never really use this because there's honestly nothing to wash. And it's got like cleaning supply. Apparently there's someone that comes to clean, but we did not need, well, no one came anyways. We were only here for like, I think 2 nights. So no one came, and yeah, so guys, moving on to the room. I left the door open just so you guys will be able to see properly. But yeah, so this is the bed area. Honestly, I love the bed area as well, and it has this 3 aesthetics. I don't know why this is silver, because I literally thought like, you know, the what's it called, the thing in the house is gold, but anyways, it's still really pretty and it still fits, you know, what is supposed to fit in here. So this is the bed, and like I said, just for 2 people. And beside the bed there is this side drawer. Nothing in here really. This is my phone charging, and it has like this fake flower here as well. It has this painting. Like, me and my friend, we've been literally trying to figure out what this painting is literally, what it means, what it represents. If you do know, let me know in the comment section down below. But yeah, I love the gold piece, and yeah, the painting as well, the silver, which obviously complements, you know, this wall. And I love the window blind. I think that's what's called, window blind. There's an AC here as well, and there's another window blind here. We actually never really opened the window. So moving on to here, there's a TV. We never use a TV. Hi, that's me. We didn't use the TV either. And there's another table here with the phone and all these things here. And there's a kettle which we used when we wanted to boil water. The wardrobe. The wardrobe is really large. Excuse the fly. The wardrobe is really large, so I took 1 space and well, my friend really never unpacked, but I got here before her. So yeah, and it came with extra bed sets. Yeah, so this is how large the the wardrobe is. The first one, it came with hangers as well. It makes so much noise. Yeah, so there's this middle part here where you can keep, you know, your things. It came with slippers, it came with towel as well. This is another wardrobe. You guys saw the last one, so this is what it looks like. And you know, it does have like, you know, the what's it called, extra drawers underneath, so that's really good. And then moving on here, there's another painting. I love, you guys can see how this is literally glistening with the what's it called, the flash. I love the painting, you know, the gold lips, the gold hair, gold jewelry, and the gold aesthetics. Honestly, I really love this. Then there's this mirror, and that's me again. Hi. Yeah, so if you want to do your makeup, and it came with this chair as well, which is really good if you want to do your makeup. And yeah, so I put my makeup here. I found this here, by the way. So I put my makeup here, but obviously I've taken that out because we're about to check out. And it came with this extra you know, drawer as well. You know, if you want to put your makeup, your facial stuff here. And it came with candles. One thing I like about this apartment, it came with a lot of candles. There are a lot of candles in this apartment, and that's why I say, you know, she got the aesthetics from probably Pinterest or something. But yeah, so moving on, and there's actually what's it called, a veranda. That's what I think that's what you call it. So, which is pretty big. There are obviously like compounds in this house, the apartment as well. So there's a lot of people in this apartment. But yeah, so it's got like a charging space where you can charge your phone. You just want to chill in the evening, it's got that. So this is really nice. There's nothing really major here, but yeah, I really like it as well. So yeah, so guys, this is another part I told you guys I was going to show you. So this leads to the kitchen, and yeah, so there's a place where you can just sit and chill, which is really nice. And there are like flowers here as well. And yeah, we've not been here. Oh, there's actually a mop. We've not been here, but this is what this part looks like. And yeah, it's actually really nice, and it's got, you know, this covering here, so even if it rains you're literally covered. But yeah, like I said, the other apartments in this house, so yeah.